Hey everyone, building a clean and powerful PC setup? Today on Tech Kingo, we are talking about the best 140mm ARGB PC case fan that brings strong airflow and stunning lighting together in one simple upgrade. If you want better cooling without extra noise, this one might surprise you. Let's get started. Meet the AGO AS14 140mm ARGB PC Case Fan. It is designed to give your system a perfect balance between cooling power, quiet performance, and modern style. With its standard 140 by 140 by 25 mm size, it fits easily into most PC cases. You can mount it at the front, top, or rear, so it works well in many different builds. Performance is where the AGO AS14 really shines. It runs at speeds from 400 to 1,600 revolutions per minute. That means it can stay slow and quiet when your system is idle, and then spin faster when your CPU or GPU needs extra cooling. At full speed, it delivers up to 71 CFM of airflow. This strong airflow helps push hot air out and pull fresh air in, keeping your internal components stable and protected during gaming or heavy tasks. Even with that cooling power, noise stays impressively low. The fan produces only 26 decibels. In simple terms, it stays quiet enough for work, study, or late-night gaming sessions without becoming a distraction. You get performance without the annoying hum that some high-speed fans create. At the center of the AGO AS14 is its S-FDB bearing. This special bearing design helps the fan spin smoothly and reduces friction. The result is better durability and more stable performance over time. AGO rates it for up to 100,000 hours of lifespan. That means you can install it and trust it to keep running reliably for years. For control and flexibility, the fan uses a 4-pin PWM connector. This allows your motherboard to adjust the speed automatically based on system temperature, so you do not have to manually control anything. It also comes with a 3-pin ARGB connector, letting you sync the lighting with compatible motherboards or controllers. You can match the colors with your RAM, graphics card, or motherboard lighting for a clean and unified look. Speaking of lighting, the ARGB effect on the AGO AS14 looks vibrant and modern. The lighting spreads smoothly across the blades, creating a bright and dynamic glow inside your case. Whether you prefer a rainbow effect or a single-color theme, you can customize it to fit your style. AGO also offers this fan in both black and white, so you can match it with your case design. You can buy it as a single unit or choose 3 fan and 5 fan packs if you are building a larger system. There is even an option that includes an ARGB controller, which is perfect if your motherboard does not have an ARGB header. The AGO AS14 140mm ARGB PC Case Fan brings together strong airflow, low noise, long lifespan, and beautiful lighting in one well-balanced package. It is a simple upgrade that can make your PC look better and run cooler at the same time. Now here is the exciting part. If you are thinking about upgrading your cooling setup, this could be a smart choice. Check the price link in the description, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome tech content. See you in the next one.